topic related with transportation. So, which are the mode of transportation used in your hometown?
In my hometown, many transportation is used
Are used.
are used like railway station, bus, bus, buses, bus stand we can say. But generally to go here and there is a new technology we can say electric rickshaw, three-wheeler we can say.
Okay.
It is more cheaper than diesel or CNG autos.
Okay. And what are the main mode of transportation throughout your country? Number one is
If
plane.
if we want to overseas like huge like we want to ship a huge things like cargo
Ocean
cargo
ship.
cargo containers, then shipping is preferred because it is airplanes
Cheaper than.
cheaper than airplanes.
Hmm.
But if we want to go fastly and in less time, then then planes are preferred. uh, Planes are preferred in my country.
And what about the public transportation and private transportation?
in
Which is used by the public most?
in my hometown, major used transportation system is railway station. But in capital cities like or we can say metro cities, private vehicles or we can say private transportation is more used than general transportation.
Okay. And which mode is always preferred by the commuter during their day-to-day tasks?
General transportation is preferred because it is more cheaper than private transportation, and it is also always in time. If we go in private transportation, then may it delay, or we can say
It may delay.
may delay.
Okay. Have you traveled by air
No,
ever? Okay.
I not travel.
I know travel. I haven't
I
traveled.
haven't traveled, but I want to travel.
If question is in the perfect, then answer also try to give in perfect. Have you visited to any airport?
Yes, I visited to our local Bhatta airport. But when I was visited,
जब मैं
visit किया था,
किया था हेड के साथ हेड वर्ब
when I visited
had visited.
had visited, there is no plane because
इज कैसे आएगा? आप तो
Was-
पास में चले गए ना. देयर wasn't
there
was
wasn't any plane is there.
is there.
Say, कोई नहीं
नहीं सी ना. was there.
was
There wasn't any plane. Okay. And about the trains, have you traveled
yes
by train?
yes I many time.
Okay. So how was your experience while traveling by train?
If we going for journey, then it
If
is
we going कैसे आएगा?
if we go on.
If we are going, अगर हम जा रहे हैं by train.
If we are going to general passenger, it is may more
To general passenger मतलब train. Okay.
the
By
general-
passenger rather than Rajdhani or Super
No,
Express.
no.
Yeah, what do you want to say?
general dabba.
Okay. Compartment.
General compartment, then it is more difficult to travel. But if we go first class or second class, then it is more helpful, or we can say more easy to travel. In
Okay.
general compartment, there is very huge crowd because it is cheaper than first class or second class. But I always prefer to first class. In our country, I am very hopeful that corruption will lower, because if there is a corruption, then any middle class can travel in first class or second class, because the employees of railway transportation, they kept do corruption and give the
They
seats.
kept, they keep on.
They keep on doing corruption, then first class or second class we travel. And I am also travel in first class.
I am travel, yeah, I travel.
I was travel.
I was traveling or travel.
traveled.
एंड बिटवीन दिस आपने 3 से 4 एचवी छोड़ दिए और बीच में स्किप कर गए, तो आपको ये फॉर्मेशन का ध्यान रखो ना, सब्जेक्ट एचवी वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट, जिसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है वो कट जाएगा। लेकिन अगर आप सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट में ही जंप किए जा रहे हो तो ये दोनों का क्या करोगे फिर? हिंदी में आ रहे हैं, इंग्लिश में नहीं आ रहे हैं, दैट ओके। व्हाट अबाउट द अदर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम दैट वी यूज, दैट्स buses. So do you have any idea?
Bus is also very good for if
बस इज आल्सो वेरी गुड, एच भी नहीं आया ना, आर या फिर सुटेबल मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन माई
Bus-
कंट्री और सिटी,
is also more
इज नहीं बेटा, आर
are suitable in my country for only for women because they travel freely.
नो,
Yes.
नॉट इन योर कंट्री, दैट इज
In,
ओनली फॉर योर
state
स्टेट,
we can say.
इवन देर आर मैनी रूल्स बिहाइंड दैट।
No, my parent is recently always travel to their house to Branda.
My friend travels
Always
between
travel.
between two
Always
states, cities, you can say cities. Okay,
Kidrawa to here.
if you are to compare between buses and train, so which one is suitable for long journey or for the shorter one?
We can say for long journeys is always better. In both are are always better.
आर नहीं बेटा,
क्योंकि
इज
दो है
आएगा
ना,
ना,
ये
आप
दो है।
जर्नी एक
अच्छा,
जर्नी शब्द एक है ना।
is always better in both transportation. But if there is only for males, then train is preferred. But in bus is preferred for females.
Which was the last journey you just recently made?
Last week I gone for Delhi. Then I'm I went for Delhi.
नहीं नहीं, आप गोन भी लगा सकते हो, बट आप एच भी लगाओ ना, आई हैड गोन।
I had gone for Delhi. Then when I come back, coming back to my hometown, then I traveled
बाय
by train.
ओके। एनी रूट विच यू हैड कवर्ड for more than 20 or to 30 hours you spent during traveling?
It maybe 4 or 5 years later, I going for Banaras. Then I
Later?
later back.
Okay. Before? Okay. Then?
Then I stay in train for stayed. I was stayed in train.
Was नहीं आएगा ना, बस मैं रहा,
साइन फॉर्म आ गई.
या तो आप सेकंड वर्ब लो या was वर्ब के साथ थर्ड वर्ब लो।
I was stayed for 24 hours in a train.
Okay. So how was your experience when you spent whole the day?
It is good when we ate, or it was good if we or 6
नहीं,
hours.
if आप उसको प्रैक्टिकल प्रेजेंट में ले आए हो तो अभी इजी आएगा।
If we
इट्स गुड इफ
we travel for 6 hours or 7 8 hours, but more than 10 hours we are suffocated, and we can say
so which
Not
type physical
comfortable.
and mental challenge
to
did you feel at that time?
if there is any cross in train,
Crossing,
train, then it may take more time than usually timings.
Okay. And which mode of transportation you prefer when you are to go somewhere?
Private.
Private. So which mode is suitable for you? Your personal car, scooty, bike?
Personal car.
Car, bike or scooty?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any jeep or some another
No,
vehicle? Okay.
we only have a car.
Okay. So which year
Last
had
year
you started using the car?
I know driving from last 2 years, but we recently we bought last year,
Okay.
like in 8 October.
Is driving or